Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya or pitaya. Dragon fruit is currently grown in several continents such as Africa, Asia, America, even Africa. They are well adapted to arid and semi-arid environments. There are different species of dragon fruits, which includes the white-fleshed pitaya, the red-fleshed pitaya, the and even the yellow-fleshed pitaya or the yellow pitaya, you can call it. There are other species or other varieties which are also known as the hybrid, the purple haze pitaya, the lisa pitaya, and so forth. Dragon fruit is succulent plant, very succulent. They have sprawling stems that can reach up to 20 feet, very tall. The stems have unique ribbed, segmented structures and are well equipped with spines along the edges, and they reproduce sexually and asexually.